Never show fear in front of anyone. When speaking with higher-level leaders, don't be overly polite. The more overly respectful you are, the more they may look down on you. When dealing with lower-level managers, focus less on showcasing your skills and more on displaying a good attitude. Appealing to their pride and ego will get you further. If someone asks where you live, what they're really doing is assessing whether your family is wealthy. When someone asks about your parents' jobs, they're actually trying to figure out if your family has any influence or connections. If someone asks what you do for a living, they're gauging how much respect to show you and whether they can benefit from knowing you. If a coworker visits your home, don't post about it on social media. Avoid people who borrow just $100. Never share your deepest secrets with your best friends, because even best friends have other best friends at work. If you weren't informed about something, act as if you don't know. Don't share your financial situation with others. If you're wealthy, people will envy you. If you're struggling, they might look down on you. When you meet someone more skilled than you, learn from them. When you meet someone on your level, step back and give them room. When you meet someone less capable, offer